Hello and welcome to Kiama in New South Wales, Australia. A small coastal town in the New South Wales coast, about 120 kilometers from Sydney, south, on the way south, and it's got a population around 8,000 people or so. So it's not a very big town, but you will find a lot of things to see here. So let's go and look around and start with a blowhole. It's basically just a rock formation under the sea, and then the water splashes up every now and then. So we're going to have a look at that first.
Even over that side, look, the waves are smashing over the rock there. And if it's high tide, you're in trouble.
That's where it is. Wow. So I guess it is low tide here, but at high tide it would be much higher. There is a lighthouse right there, and the steps down to the blowhole right next to it. Oh, it's like that. Another one coming up. We're going to a little bit closer. It's a bit of a rocky coastline here. That's something interesting. And there we might just go and look around the beach and maybe go into town as well. We're going to show it to you guys. Alright, so let's go a little bit further down and have a look at the other lookout just there. These rocks actually can be dangerous if you are climbing on it, because at high tide I believe there's a lot more of this coming up. How about shells? Lovely.
I saw a skink.
Huh?
Yeah, I saw a skink.
What did you see?
Skink.
What is that?
A big, not a small lizard.
Oh, okay.
Slimy lizard. Okay.
Slimy.
No, he looks
Look at these
slimy.
rocks, they actually like, are they, what's on them?
Mold.
Like are they all over the place, like all this yellow, orange, kind of mustard color?
It's mold.
Mold.
Yeah.
No,
Or fungus. Either one.
oh, cool. Risk warning, serious injury or death. Well, let's go then.
My injury was from Winnie.
Yeah. Okay, let's go then.
Serious injury or
These are like a kind of volcanic rocks, I believe.
It's like basalt and stuff.
Yeah, very hard rocks.
It looks pretty.
But in the other hand, there is a awesome beach in the distance. We might visit that as well. So there's a lighthouse here, and then there's another beach down there. And this is basically, this hockey area is quite Instagram friendly if you're in the right position. Let's see this way. That's another lookout. It actually reminds me of Port Mercury. If you haven't seen that video, it is on my channel. So this is just very close to the blowhole. There is a rock pool where you can swim. Even so, the ocean is a little bit rough at the moment, tide is coming in. But the rock pool is pretty safe and it's natural seawater. So let's go and have a look at that. See, it's just there. And actually, it's a bit like a natural swimming pool. And the seawater is just coming in, keep refreshing. So we might actually come back here to have a little bit of swim. This is the It's lunchtime, I'm hungry, so let's go and find some lunch. See what's available in this tiny beachside town. Very tidy town, this one. If you look at this, green grass, very well kept, gardens, and that's a park down there, the Lions Club Park. It's unbelievable how tidy it is. There's bicycle shop, anything pretty much you wish for, it's all here. Even so, the town is not very big, but there are a lot of tourists here because it's only about 120 kilometers from Sydney, so people coming for day trips. So there is a whole line of restaurants and shops here. We're going to try one of them, I guess, and that's going to be our lunch. Yeah, but doesn't mean that's all coming from there, is it?
No, but it feels more natural.
Okay, let's have a look if they have table service or something. So what is the place called? Oh, they have a table at the back as well. The Hungry Monkey. Okay. So you need to order inside or?
Hello.
Do you have a table service or?
Yeah, for sure. Do you want to go inside or outside?
Probably outside.
Let's see. Got some in the balcony down there, or I can do that big one just there.
That one is fine. Let's
Just the
show
two
you.
of you?
No, there'll be another two coming, hopefully.
I'll set you guys all up.
Okay. So we decided to order some burgers and a beer and some, what did you get?
Milkshake.
Of course, chocolate milkshake. And yeah, so I think it's going to be good because the place is very busy. I think we're going to start with this. Cheers.
Hello.
It's not a bad local beer on tap. Yeah, that's fine. That's it.
Fruit juice?
Yes.
Oh, yes, sorry.
Thank you.
And the chocolate milkshake.
Oh, yeah.
Anything else for you guys?
That's all, thank you. I think.
Enjoy it.
Thank you.
I'm sorry.
What?
Can I have serviettes?
Oh, yes, of course. I'll bring some.
The bad boy. Oh,
Here we are. Thank you.
thank you so much. Okay, let's give it a try. Looks good,
So hot.
isn't it? Oh, you got onion.
How about the chicken?
No, it's just actually it's got a whole heap of stuff in there: bacon, beef, sauce, onion rings. I like the sauce. Typical coffee shop burger. Chips. So finish this and then we're going to explore some more. We have some visitors as well.
He was eating a strawberry.
Oh, that was a yummy burger for lunch. Nothing really special, but it was okay. Look at this around the coffee shop behind me, these flowers. Nice and colorful surroundings, that's for sure. Right, so we're back here after lunch. This is one beautiful spot here. It's so natural too, like look at that, wow. So you never need chemicals in this water. Oh, wow. So I might actually have a dip, see how cold the water is. Shouldn't be too bad, it's middle of summer here in Australia. So let's see what is that rock pool experience will be. So I did make a decision, I'm going to have a swim and then see what happens. It's a bit rough, like it's all natural and everything, but I think it's a kind of a mid-depth. So it's not overly deep, but we'll see. Well, I can swim anyway. Okay, so this is it from beautiful Kiama, and now we are going back to Brisbane tomorrow morning. And thank you for watching, guys, and see you in the next video somewhere from Australia. Cheers.